Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is an evening in my life as a nanny. I love sharing these quiet moments with you. So let's unwind together. After a full day, the first thing I do is to help the kids to do their homework. It is our little study session. We go over reading, a bit of math, and sometimes just talk about their school day. I enjoy this part because I get to see how they are growing and learning. Sometimes they ask funny questions that makes me smile. It also teaches me patience and reminds me when I was at school. We read, we laugh, and we celebrate every small answer they get right. When homework is done, I take the baby out of the balcony. The evening breeze is so calm, and she loves the soft sounds of the birds and the fading daylight. I gently rock her while we watch the sky change color. This is one of my favorite times of the day. Just breathing and enjoying the peace. Slowly her eyes close and she drifts into a light sleep. Once she's fully asleep, I carry her carefully and lay her on her cozy nest. I make sure she's comfortable and cover her lightly so she stays warm. Now it is time to make dinner. Tonight I'm preparing a simple meal of cabbage and rice using electric pressure cooker. I love how quick it is, perfect for the busy evenings. I start by washing rice first. Thank you family for the love you are showing at Naomy, Crochets and Lifestyle. Thank you for 325 subscribers. Thank you for liking my videos, sharing, subscribing. If it is your first time coming here, ensure that you have subscribed because that is important to me, and through that you will see videos like this. I also do crochet tutorials, so ensure that you have subscribed because here we learn a lot. As it cooks, I'll chop the cabbage. I'll start by washing it first. Next, I'll chop onions and tomatoes after washing them. Before everything, I ensure this sink is clean. This sizzle as it cooks, with onion and little oil, always smells amazing. The kitchen gets warm and cozy, and the aroma fills the room. Before serving, I slice fresh avocado, creamy and rich. It makes the plate so colorful. Finally, it is time to serve. I place the fluffy rice and tender cabbage on the plates and add avocado on the sides. Simple, health and satisfying after a long day. That's how our evenings winds down. Thank you for keeping me company through this routine. If you enjoy spending evening with me, please like the video, subscribe, and share your own favorite evening moment in the comments. Good night and see you next time.